In the beginning of the 20th century, all the bright scientists like Albert Einstein, Sir Arthur Eddington believed that the universe has no beginning but is eternal. But evidence accumulated that there must be a beginning to the universe, and that was a shock for the atheists because they realized the universe has a beginning, which means it must have a cause. So what is the cause of space-time and matter? It must be some being that is beyond space-time and non-material in order to cause these things that are intrinsic to the universe. And so the best candidate for that is, of course, an eternal mind, an eternal, all-powerful mind, very intelligent mind. And so cosmology actually showed that there is good evidence that there is someone who is responsible for the existence of this universe. And then research went on. And it was very remarkable that cosmologists found out that our universe is not just in any state, but it is in a very, very specific state, which means that the constants, the fundamental constants of nature, are fine-tuned to a very high precision. For example, the anti-gravitational force must be fine-tuned to 1 to 10 to the power of 60, which is a 0.59 zeros and then a 1. If it is changed by that little tiny value, plus or minus, then there is no room for stars to exist or even for atoms or molecules, or the universe would just collapse. It seems remarkable that the values of physics must have exactly the values they have in order for intelligent life to exist.